at that point where it's time to fit the rocker. So I'm gonna make some marks, trim her a little shorter, and try to get this rocker hammered in so I can move on to the core. But as you can see, I painted the whole floor pan. Just got to get some seam sealer, seal everything up, but yeah. I'm gonna leave it like this for tonight and restart tomorrow. Test fitting and cutting up to get this piece in, and I wish I had cut more off at the wrecking yard, but the other one was kind of rusty anyway, so I got to remake this, or if this section there is messed, I'm going to tack that back together and just sheet metal around it and whatever whatever works. The inner wheelhouse is all patched back together. This part of it is crude. I'll cut it open nicer with the burr. But yeah, I made a hand hammer to patch. It's not the nicest. Had to put a couple pieces, but whatever. I've got the quarter panel close to fitting. A little bit higher than something like that. Right up to there. So I still got a little bit of room there, so I left a little bit of meat. But we will trim pieces. I will bend this edge underneath that edge to give me some strength, something to weld behind, so that I don't lose that line. I know it's hard to see, but that body line is literally, it's like that body line right here is literally just above where I cut. I still have the body line on here. I'm just gonna bend it underneath, and it's gonna give me some extra material to weld to, so it doesn't warp too much, I'm hoping. So I kind of gave it, I left some meat in the gas door as well. Got this all cleaned up. Looks like the only rust that was on there. Put some rust converter on it, and we'll paint it before we put it in there. Tried this by myself, it didn't go so well. So we got that all stitched. It's not super stitched on the side because I don't need Ryan for that. That stuff's not too bad, but yeah, there's not a lot of difference. Pretty good. I'm happy. Oh, I can't see that in here. I got the top patched down there. You can see the spot welds are coming through real nice. So yeah, anyway, that does it for this part of the video. We got more done on this, and then more done on the Camaro. What's going on, Isla?
Hola.
What are you eating?
Sorry.
What is that?
Hamburger.
What is it?
Hamburger.
Hamburger, yeah, good job. Is that your first one? Yeah, so I basically made these little slider hamburgers, and I used the ends of a sausage bun. Is that good? Yeah, is Daddy a good cook? Good. Daddy's a good cook. Say bye, YouTube. Oh, really close. Say YouTube. A what?
What?
A what?
Yeah?
Are you being silly?
What?
Is that yummy? You want some water?
No.
I'm only holding the cup because she likes to throw it on the ground after she's done. Are you a silly girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. Manum. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.